Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now today's recipe is drumstick dal curry. As we all know that drumstick is really good for our health. It regulates our blood pressure and so on. Dal is main source of protein in our diet, so we use here dal with drumstick for many health benefits. So let's look into our ingredients today. Our ingredients here consist of dal. Here we use first quality dal, which is soaked for around 5 to 10 minutes in water. Here we can use any dal we want. Now, drumstick, raw mango slices. Don't use too much raw mango. Mustard seeds, coconut paste of one whole coconut, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, and curry leaves. Now here I used vegetable oil. You all can use any oil you want. It may be groundnut oil or some other oil. Now let's start with our today's recipe. First we'll take an earthen vessel. You all can take any vessel according to your convenience. I have taken here earthen vessel. Now I'll add dal to it. Now we'll drain off all the water from the dal, and we'll add some water. Now we'll cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes. Just remember that it should not burn off. We are putting it on high flame, dal to cook, and we'll cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's wait. Now it's almost 5 minutes. Now let's check whether it's really cooked or not. I think it's cooked. Let me check. Yeah, I guess it's cooked. Now we'll add our drumstick to it. So drumstick has a whole lot of properties like controlling blood pressure and all. So we used here drumsticks. Now we'll add all the masalas to it. That is turmeric powder, chili powder. You all can add chili powder according to your taste. Now I'll add some salt according to taste, and then we'll stir it, and we'll directly cook for around 5 minutes for the drumstick to be little cooked. It doesn't take a lot of time for the drumstick to cook, so it will be cooked. Now we will add the raw mango slices. You can add as much as you want, but it's recommendable that you don't put too much. Now we'll add coconut paste into our mix. This coconut paste, it should not be very thin in consistency. Now we'll mix it all, and we'll close it and cook it for around 3 minutes. Now it's really cooked. Now we can put off the gas and just remove it. Now we need to fry some mustard seeds. Now we'll put on a pan. We'll add some oil to it. Now we'll add some mustard seeds. Just be careful while doing this. Yeah, it has started to burst. Now we'll wait for some time, around 5 seconds. Just be careful while doing this. Yeah, now it's almost done. Now we'll add some curry leaves. Let the curry leaves fry. Yeah, it's almost done. And now we can add this to our main dish. Now this sort of brings a new flavor to our dish. Now serve hot. It's really tasty, guys. You need to try this recipe at home. It's very healthy.